Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing an assistive touch app so your Android can mimic an iPhone home button. Open Settings, enable Play Store access, or allow unknown sources if sideloading. Then install a reputable assistive touch app. Once installed, immediately grant the accessibility permission and the draw over other apps permission. These let the floating button interact with the system. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the app so it stays visible. Now you have the app ready to configure. Next, you configure the virtual iPhone home button to act like the real one. Open the app settings and position the floating button where your thumb reaches most comfortably. Assign single tap to home, double tap to recent apps, and long press to back. This maps common iPhone behaviors. Adjust size, opacity, and touch sensitivity so it won't trigger accidentally. Once set, test in several apps. If you need shortcuts, add gestures for screenshots or the power menu for faster access. Finally, verify the button persists after lock, reboot, and app switches because overlays sometimes get killed. If it vanishes, reopen the app and regrant accessibility or overlay permission. Also disable battery saver or optimize exclusions. If problems continue, try a different assistive touch app, one with recent updates, or reboot the phone to reset the overlay service. Key tip: if the button stops responding, re-enable permissions and restart the app. That resolves most overlay failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.